Welcome back to After Hours. We're watching Nikal's video, as you just saw. You were so young.
Yeah,
and just,
I was like 18 or 19.
You were and so good. Did the girls go crazy?
Yeah, I think
और steps याद हैं आपको?
हाँ, steps कुछ याद हैं, हाँ.
बहुत cute, so adorable. अभी आपने बात की इस ज़माने की when you worked with, Nabila and Asim Raza and these people. You missed a name.
I did.
You missed my chacha-in-law.
Yes, I did miss a very important name, Tariq Amin.
Yes.
And in fact, probably मैं आपको interesting बताऊं, जो most amount of मैंने time in my initial say about 5 years जो spend किया वो तारिक के साथ ही किया.
अच्छा.
तारिक का जो salon है ना वो लाहौर में कैंट में होता था.
मेरे बाल by the way उन्होंने काटे हुए.
Oh, he's amazing.
He's the best.
तारिक सिर्फ आपके बालों को ऐसे कर लेना, you're like,
what did you do?
Yes, he's unbelievable.
He is. Let's come back to your dramas because we're in the drama field together.
We've done one.
We've done a telefilm.
Which was really funny. Yeah.
Yeah, it was great.
That was funny.
Telefilm.
I loved my role in that best. That was inspiring.
I was a kabutarbaz.
You were a kabutarbaz and I was a shair. जो ट्रकों के पीछे जो शेर होते हैं ना वो लिखता था.
And then we did a drama जिसमें हमारा एक साथ कोई सीन शूट नहीं हुआ था.
होना था apparently लेकिन नहीं हो सका.
It's called Alif Allah और इंसान.
Yeah, जिसमें you were amazing.
So were you.
You were phenomenal.
So I think
but you had a far more challenging character. तुम तो बिल्कुल ही एक वो सड़क पे रहने वाली थी.
But Mikal, वो characters जरा ज़्यादा easy.
And I remember तेरा makeup मुझे याद आ रहा है. Literally इसका मेकअप ये होता था कि मिट्टी उठाई और ये लगाए और ये इसका मेकअप.
Esan Talish is the genius behind it. मुझे unibrow दी, मेरे दांतों में चीजें.
मुझे याद है तेरे like धब्बे type.
धब्बे थे proper.
Yeah, like you were really and you were good.
It was, but because Mikal, it was a different character.
Yeah.
That was easier to do.
Yeah.
हम ये बेचारी लड़की की variations लाना बहुत मुश्किल हो गया. वो फिर भी आसान था मेरे लिए.
Because उसमें वो
ये कुछ बन सकते थे.
वो जो जब आपके पास वो atmosphere हो ना जैसे वाकई तुमने मिट्टी लगाई हुई है तो you'll feel गंदा.
You feel गंदा.
Then you'll act accordingly. और मुझे तेरे बाल भी याद है बिल्कुल ही वो जो.
अरे यार thanks. अब उसकी तस्वीर ना लगा देना.
हाँ वो लगाओ ना.
I think I won an award for that, but I wasn't there.
Yeah.
I think I won.
No, you deserve one.
Oh, thank you so much. You have such a brilliant body of work. You were also in Alif Allah, and you were fantastic in it.
Thank you.
And Sherazad and Diyar Dil, among these are just a few. There's a drop in the ocean. ये बहुत commercial successes थी. तो ये जो commercially hit dramas हैं, are they closer to your heart because वो लोगों ने इतने पसंद किए या कोई ऐसा काम भी है जो आपको पसंद है लेकिन critically acclaimed शायद हो, commercially acclaimed ना हो? आपके दिल के करीब कौन सा ड्रामा है?
नहीं, but I really like your question and I actually believe मेरा इस पे thought generally ये है कि जो भी आप काम करते हो अगर वो एक commercial success नहीं होता ना तो it's kind of pointless. मुझे लगता है कि जो भी आप काम करते हो ना उसकी reach होनी चाहिए. अगर आपने एक बहुत अच्छा काम किया हो, बहुत आर्टिस्टिक हो, लेकिन वो 10 लोगों ने देखा हो तो there's really no point.
दिल दुखता है क्योंकि बहुत मेहनत की होती है.
That's fine, but I feel कि जो भी आपका काम है ना जो वो commercially viable ही होना चाहिए और उसकी commercial success बड़ी ज़रूरी है.
So is there any drama that's close to your heart?
A lot of the ones that you've mentioned, I've been very lucky as well. I was always offered the best of the best.
What do you enjoy more? Do you enjoy modeling or do you enjoy acting?
No, acting for sure, I think.
Yeah? Do you sing as well?
I wanted to be a singer, yeah.
Well, yes.
I wanted to be a singer.
So
actually, I wanted to be a singer.
So what happened to that dream?
What happened is that initially, I became a model, so didn't really pursue that. Then I became an actor. And then when I wanted to be a musician, when I really kind of seriously thought about music, तो उस वक्त music industry जो ना बिल्कुल die down हो गई थी. And that was that.
वो era, like post-Atif type.
Yeah, we're talking about like 2007, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
एक gap आया था उसमें जो.
एक gap आया था जब actually music transition कर रहा था from CDs and DVDs to digital. अब तो everything is online.
I remember हम एक event पे थे और अली अज़मत का concert था.
And I went,
And you went on the stage and you were just singing with him the whole time and you loved it.
I think I've been lucky कि मुझे ना मौके मिल जाते हैं कि मैंने इस तरह की 2-4 चीजें की तो I think वो मेरा शौक जो है कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा बहुत पूरा हुआ है.
Just do it, drop an album.
Yeah, I know.
Look, Ahad Raza Amir went on Coke Studio and sang.
Yeah.
So drop something.
Yeah,
why not?
yeah.
Do you play an instrument?
I do. I play the guitar.
You play the guitar?
Yeah,
wow, the girls in college had no chance. You're just... What are you doing?
But I enjoy singing. I love singing for a crowd.
And you're a very good singer.
Yeah.
You play it live also.
Yeah. I mean, that's what I like doing. In fact, I can't sing without a guitar.
Let me ask you something. Because आप उस early mid 2000s के era में, college boy, young kid, आपने कितनी लड़कियों के लिए हैंगिंग बाय मोमेंट गाया है?
Hanging by
Do you
moment
remember
कौन
that
सा है?
लाइफ हाउस का गाना हैंगिंग बाय मोमेंट?
नहीं, I don't think
You
I've heard
don't
that one,
remember
नहीं.
that?
But मैंने लड़कियों के लिए और बहुत सारे गाने
कौन से
गाए हैं.
गाने गाए? What was your song?
यार, I'm a soft rocker,
Okay.
so Dave Matthews Band,
Okay.
John Mayer,
We really like Dave Matthews. He stands up for Palestine. You are known to be a complete gentleman. And I can attest to that. Mikal is a gentleman.
Thank you.
And sets पे आपकी बहुत तारीफ होती है.
अच्छा, I'm
Do you
glad.
feel like the age of the gentleman is dying out? The chivalrous age. And do you
Yeah,
believe
I
in
think
that?
so. I think, you कम रह गए हैं अब.
कम
You
रह
know,
गए?
Yeah, I think कम रह गए.
But I've never heard anything bad about you. I've never experienced. I
Thank
mean,
you.
I've thought we've been friends for
Yeah,
10
thank you for
plus
saying that. That
years.
means a lot to me.
Mashallah. And
That-
it's
that
just
means a lot
always
to me.
been
Thank you.
the most pleasant vibe.
You know,
if
and
Mikal's coming, it's a good day.
Thank you, and especially with my female co-stars. I mean, this is actually something I've never gotten to say on an interview. I feel very protective about my female co-stars. You
Yeah.
know, I feel you guys get a lot of attention anyway, and get a lot of bad press or jo bhi, get a lot of
of flack.
prying eyes in
Yeah,
a way.
yeah.
So मेरा हमेशा point ये रहता है कि I do not want to be that person. I just want to be a safe place
Oh.
where we can have a mutually friendly relationship where you don't feel threatened. I think that's really important. It has been very important to me.
And it's you've
Thank you.
that's fantastic,
thank
and
you.
we're all so happy that you're in this
All right.
industry. We
Awesome.
all love our meeks.
Yay.
On that note, we're going to be right back right here on After Hours. Welcome back, guys. We're gupshupping with Mikal Zulfikar right here on After Hours. I want to come to that. You are a girl dad. You have two
I've got
beautiful
two
daughters.
beautiful daughters. yeah,
Mashallah. How
yeah.
old are they?
They're 13 and 11 now.
Oh gosh.
Yeah,
They're
they're
getting
big kids
there.
now.
They're getting
yeah,
big.
yeah,
They were
yeah.
itni si.
Haan,
I remember.
haan,
Oh my
haan.
gosh, mashallah.
Yeah, now they're itni si.
So what's it like raising them in this day and age? And what kind of a girl dad are you?
Oh, they're my bros.
They're your bros?
Yeah, they're my bros.
Acha.
That's how we talk. Bro, what's up? Bro, what's happening?
Really?
Yeah. We're bros. And they
Nice.
call me bro too.
They call you
I mean,
bro.
they call me dad. आजकल के बच्चे जो हैं वो इतने समझदार हैं already. उनके पास इतनी access to information है. I mean, there's been many a time कि मैंने सोचा कि यार अब वक्त आ गया ये मैं बात कर लेता हूँ और वो पहली बात हो चुकी होती है.
Wow.
Because they have so much information.
So do you restrict the information of screen time पे थोड़ी
Yeah, I think
restrictions
it's very
डालते हैं?
tough. I mean, you try to, but you know, जब आप device एक दे दो, तो फिर आप कितना ही कर लोगे यार. We try कि वो ज़्यादा उनका exposure ना हो, लेकिन I think in today's day and age it's very difficult.
It
You know,
is.
because everything is online. It's almost a digital
It's
life.
scary though, isn't it? You have to like.
I mean, it is,
really
and it,
protect your
as I
kids.
said, I think, it is and it isn't. I think at the same time, they also have a lot of access to information, and
Yeah.
I think, parenting का तरीका वही है कि आपने जो आपकी values हैं, जो आपको अच्छे बुरे का पता है, आप वही instill करते हो अपने बच्चों में, and then that's it. That's all you can do.
Are you proud of them?
And extremely.
Yeah? They're good kids?
extremely. They're great kids.
Mashallah.
They're great kids.
You
Blessed.
just light up when you talk about them.
Yeah. They're the center of my world.
Mashallah,
For sure.
mashallah. I'm so happy to see
Thank
that.
you.
I'm so happy to see that. I want to jump back into your dramas. Jaise Aapki Marzi
Yeah.
did very well. बहुत मुबारक हो.
Thank you.
और आप मेरी
I think that was one of my best performances.
really
Yeah.
I have to watch it. I've
Yeah.
heard such good things.
Yeah, although it's not the nicest character in the world. It's a very toxic, controlling, manipulative,
like a narcissistic.
narcissistic.
आपको inspiration कहाँ से?
यार
कि कोई जानने
बहुत सारी
वाला
I mean
था?
वो inspiration all around us है.
Oh God.
और मैंने सोचा, लेकिन actually उसमें inspiration, it was very well written. It
अच्छा, ये
was
किसने
very
लिखा
well
था?
written.
Naila Ansari मुझे
Naila
पता चला।
Ansari, yes.
Okay.
So it was very well written. The
Uh-huh.
character was very well written. The scenes were very well written.
I can't
And-
imagine you playing a toxic.
No, and I did it amazing, and I loved it.
Really?
I loved playing that character because he was just so full of himself. And दुनिया में तो उसका एक scene है तो कहता है I'm here.